always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side.
Oh, Michael Play MC is with Fleb. Or is with, oh, their entire team but their mole. Or no, their mole's there, it's Fra. Who's the one who's left out? Oh, never mind, it's just the three of them. If they're going to attack Michael, now would be a great time for Fra.
Oh, hi. Hi guys.
Okay, let's get away from this zombie with the iron sword.
Yeah, of course, let's get away.
Okay, who should I give the dime?
So here's the thing. I know none of you guys
I'm dropping it.
Let's get here, letting him make the table. Might make the attack might not happen for a while. I don't know.
I dropped the diamonds, boys. Michael, you picked up the diamonds.
Cause I'm gonna make the enchant, you dick.
Do you have feathers?
No, I used it.
I only have 2 arrows.
Stay
Can
away.
I have 7 gold to make a gapple? Me.
I took out all that. Steve Bob, healed. That's sign of attack. Oh, Steve Bob's here! Steve Bob's with his mole teammate. Now would be a perfect time.
Oh frick.
Yeah. Take that.
Okay, I'm gonna enchant first. Okay?
When you're really low on health, when you're half up the stuff and it's 7 gold.
They need to, like... Steve Bob is going... Okay.
Instead of 8 to make a head. It's a rip moment. Okay.
No, I'm gonna enchant first. Get back!
No killing while no killing while enchanting.
Okay.
Ah, shit!
Steve!
What's happening? Shoot or burn to death? That's not much I can really... Oh, ladies! And Steve Bob gets the kill. Michael doesn't have his pants on. Put on your pants, Michael. Put on your pants.
Run, Steve!
No! Albie, I hate you so much! Albie, I hate you so
Come here, Michael.
so much! Albie, you dick!
I'm sorry.
Okay, shot him. Okay, Frozz might get this one. Nope, Steve Bob's getting it. Nope, Frog. Oh!
I regret coming here.
Snap. I did not see that one coming.
Michael, I'm sorry. Oh no!
Michael, kill him!
Ah, got him! Yes!